We have to go home today.
It's so sad.
I found out last night this girl isn't coming back to school, so
I thought I told her, but apparently I forgot.
it happens. Glad I found out though.
Yeah.
Get to school and be like, Megan! Megan! Where is she?
Disappeared.
She disappeared into thin air. There's the dog. He has no idea what's going on. He's just
What's
like,
happening?
people.
It's so hot today.
Is it?
It is. Anyone try?
I shall try.
Yeah.
Oh, it is hot. I can't see. Don't want to leave. We love it here.
We don't want to leave, but we must. We have nothing else to do. Whoops, gotta wait for Allison. So we're going down to the beach.
I love that hat.
Thanks, I like it too.
To the beach.
To the beach. Last time on the boardwalk.
Sand is kind of hot. Just a little. The waves aren't as bad as yesterday, but they're still pretty big.
We're off the beach. And these steps are haunted. Sorry.
Thanks a lot, Allison.
I know.
You're just too hot to handle.
Like Johnny last night. She dropped the boom.
That was such a good movie. Hi, Jane. Hello. You're so cute.
She likes my leg.
Yeah. Aww. So cute. Hi.
It's really sleepy in here.
Yeah.
One of my contacts is really blurry, and so like for a while I was just like, it's been a pretty late car ride.
Actually, the majority of the colleges here in America,
There's something
especially
chew. We do small M&Ms for small people,
but then
eat them.
obviously when time
Yay.
All right, do you see it?
Yeah.
Is it an M with an anvil or a W with a ski?
I don't even know.
The world may never know. But it was tasty. Oh, they're gonna fall. It's the only way to travel.
What?
It's the only way to travel.
With your friends.
Yes.
Now, when you're with your parents, you can have, you know, the whole back seat.
And sleep.
Sleep. Yeah.
Yeah. You should say happy birthday to Peter. Happy birthday, Peter! Happy birthday, Peter!
You're so old. What is it, 13?
No.
12?
My joke.
He's 19! We should all sing to Peter. Well, the music's loud.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday.
Let me know when you're ready to sing to Peter.
Red eyes, Peter. What are you looking for? watch you while you sleep, Peter. Because I see you dream and see you cry.
That's creepy. Hi.
Why?
What?
My face is good. Bruno.
I miss you. She loves you. No. Spin it. What? Copy what the singers are saying. Like you spin. Rap.
Together. For love.
Are you ready to go? Yes, he does. We're getting gas in a rainstorm.
If I had a nickel for every time I got gas in a rainstorm.
I could probably buy a Snickers. I could buy a 5-cent candy bar.
Girl with braces on her teeth and freckles on her nose. Some kids call them oddballs. Some kids call them weird. Is it my imagination or does your mother have a beard? Come on, make them.
She's goodbye for us too. It's so sad.